How to send someone your full location. Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. In today's video, I will show you how to send your location to someone quickly and efficiently. Our phones are everywhere with us. We use them in everyday life and they have entered every pore of our society. One of the options we often use is to send someone our location. Whether we need to send someone instructions on how to find us or for some other reason, this option is being used more and more. In today's video, I will show you how you can do it in a fast and efficient way on your phone. All you need to do is find Apple Maps on your home screen. When you have found the icon, hold your finger on it. A menu will appear in which we need to find the Send My Location option and tap on it. This will open Apple Maps with our copied location and options for managing it. If we scroll, next to the option for sharing, we can see options such as copying, adding to notes, opening in a browser, or copying to a clipboard. And that's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.